Ito yung Victoria Street. This is the inspiration of the Diagon Alley.
Diagon Alley.
Tomb ni Thomas Riddle kung saan hinango yung character ni Lord Voldemort. William McGonagall.
The Moody family ni previously in our Edinburgh vlog part 1.
Today, naalito to ngayon sa isa sa mga iconic landmarks dito sa Edinburgh, which is the Dean's Village. Was once the heart of grain milling in the 12th century. So happy na andito ako kasi Edinburgh has always been in my bucket list. Ano nangyari sa UT? What happened?
It's very bad.
Hey everybody, good morning. It's Red from Ready Set Walk, exploring the world one step at a time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, it's our second day here in Edinburgh, and as you can see, naandito tayo ngayon sa isa sa mga places kung saan naging inspiration ni J.K. Rowling sa movie na Harry Potter. And ito yung Victoria Street. I'm not sure if you can see any resemblance in Harry Potter, but this is the inspiration of the Diagon Alley.
Diagon Alley.
Flip ko lang yung camera ha, para kita nyo. Ayan. Yan yung Diagon Alley, guys. Diagonally. Diba? Sa Harry Potter, ito yung inspiration ni J.K. Rowling. Mamaya, pupunta tayo sa Greyfriars Kirkyard para puntahan yung tomb ni Thomas Riddle, kung saan hinango yung character ni Lord Voldemort. Hi, Ranko.
Hello.
What place is this?
Diagon Alley.
So, ito yung Diagon Alley, guys. Ang ganda niya. Tingnan nyo, yung mga color-color. Tapos, I think on that number 14 building, it's Harry Potter store. Is it? Oh, museum ng Harry Potter. Tara, tignan natin. Tortula. Maulan ngayon dito, tapos ang lamig. I think the current temperature is, ang lamig B. Tapos nagsusnow ng very light. Tara, check natin yung temperature. 0. Tapos nagsusnow. Uy, ang ganda dito, B. Yan, Yan. Punta kayo dito, guys, sa Edinburgh. Tapos Victoria Street, kung saan hinango yung Diagon Alley. Ang ganda. Museum Context Harry Potter. Sige, flip ko yung camera ha. Ito yung isa sa mga museum store dito sa Edinburgh, Victoria Street. Ayan. Marami ng mga tao nakapila. Sige. Kunan natin yung pinaka-building. Hala, look at this one, www.oinkhogros.co.uk. This is like, tignan nyo to, para siyang House of Lechon, mang ganon. Roasted pork, right? Oink. The name is Oink. So, may lechonan sa Diagon Alley. Sorry, nauwa ako. Yan, guys. So, kapag nandito kayo again, go to Edinburgh. If may UK, London adventure, then try to look for a flight to Edinburgh and then punta kayo dito. Magical, charming, idyllic. Ganda. Ano ba bang, adjective na pwedeng gamitin natin? Lahat. Tapos yan, guys, yung parang kastilyo nakikita nyo, yan yung Bank of Scotland. Yan, guys, we're on our way na sa Greyfriars Cemetery, kung saan bibisitahin natin yung graveyard ng kung saan hinango yung character ni Tom Riddle. And ito yung si Greyfriars Bobby din. Ayan. Yan yung aso, parang si Hachiko din. Ito yun siya. Parang si Hachiko, yung sa Japan. Just a little trivia, Greyfriars Bobby was a Skye Terrier. So, yung yung rasa niya o yung race niya is Skye Terrier in the 19th century in Edinburgh, who became famous for his loyalty. After his owner, John Grey, passed away in 1858, Bobby the dog spent 14 years guarding his master's grave. Locals cared for him, and a statue now commemorates his devotion near Greyfriars Kirkyard. Bali yung Greyfriars Kirkyard, yun yung cemetery kung saan pupunta tayo in a while to see Thomas Riddle's grave, kung saan hinango yung karakter ng Lord Voldemort. Pasok tayo. Ang daming tao dito. Siguro naging famous ito dahil sa di ba? Harry Potter. So, ayun. Saan ba si Ranko? Tara, punta natin si Ranko. Yan, Greyfriars. Sige. Greyfriars Kirk. Lakad tayo. Hanapin natin yung tomb ni Tom Riddle. Maulan ngayon, di. Yun si Greyfriars Bobby, oh. Yun, yung aso. Tapos ito yung tomb niya. Yan, Greyfriars Bobby died 14 January 1872, aged 16 years. Let his loyalty and devotion be a lesson to us all. Ay. Totoo. Sometimes no? Kasi may aso din ako eh. Sometimes, it's too much. And sometimes I'm thinking we don't deserve the loyalty of the dog kasi they're super loyal. No? Tumilong lang kami ng konti kasi, naulan. So, natatakot ako. Mabasa yung camera ko, But we're here, we're back. Hindi na siya masyadong maulan. So, let's go! Yan si Ranko. Hi! Siya yung Google Maps ko ngayon. Ito yung naulan na naman, My God. Yan. Grabe yung dito, no? Cemetery nila. Yung parang, alam mo yun, sa mga movie. Yung sinauna talaga. Di ba usually, ito naman yung parang mga, kapag na-horror movie, tapos may setting sa cemetery, parang ganito yung mga tomb-tomb, di ba? Ganyan, no? Punta na tayo sa sa actual tomb ni Thomas Riddle. It's here. Yan guys, pakita lang namin sa inyo Yan. Yung Greyfriars Cemetery. Or hindi siya Greyfriars, sorry, correction. Kirk's Cemetery. Sinauna talaga yung mga dito, Tomb. But eto yung mga may dungeon dito, oh my God. Huwag dyan, B, nakakatakot dyan, B. Okay. Follow lang natin si Ranko. Kasi siya yung Google Maps. Kita ko lang ganito, hindi na ako mag-b-roll kasi nakatakot na rely. It's here? Tara. Alam niyo yung setting na na it's raining, it's gloomy, tapos nasa cemetery tayo. Diyos ko, tignan niyo to, Kakatakot, Yan. Siguro naging famous yung cemetery na ito. Kasi 'di ba, dito yun hinango ni J.K. Rowling yung mga karakter, especially kay Tom Riddle. Tapos according to my research sa internet, may mga family name din dito kung saan hinango ni J.K. Rowling yung karakter sa Harry Potter. Yung Moody, Mad Eyes Moody, tsaka yung McGonagall. So tara, let's continue. May mga tao, tignan nyo. Tapos dito may mga tomb sa pader. Tara, let's follow Ranko. Are we close? Sabi ni Ranko, malapit na tayo. Grabe, no? Alam nyo, para din siya yung cemetery na na-visit ko sa sa Paris. Oo. Parang ganito din siya. Yung setup niya. Mga ganyan. It's here? Here somewhere. Okay. Napaka-gloomy naman dito, no? Tapos, naulan. Tapos, ito yung setting natin. Diyos ko. Naulan na naman. Maybe it's there. With the people, maybe it's there. Tara, punta natin yung mga tao kasi naandun sila, Grabe dito, no? Napakasinauna ng mga tomb dito, B. Siguro. Where? Ayun, we found it. So, eto yung tomb kung saan hinango ni J.K. Rowling yung Lord Voldemort na, tawag nito, character. William McGonagall, he's a poet.
We found the Moody family name kung saan hinango yung character ni Alastor Moody, who is the defense against the dark arts teacher sa Harry Potter. Pero iba yung spelling dito, Moody, M-O-D-D-I-E. Pero dun sa Harry Potter, it was M-O-D-D-Y, I think.
Quick trivia lang tayo. Tapos eto, may mga tao talaga nag-a-avail ng tour. English, tapos sa kabila, Spanish.
One solid story was created once more. Then the students took this one destiny. They took it back to Arbroath Abbey, where the Declaration of Arbroath, the famous letter of Robert the Bruce, is written. They left it on the doorstep of Arbroath Abbey, covered in a sultan.
Alam nyo, minsan hindi ko naiintindihan yung accent nila dito. Ito yung itsura ng ng cemetery using my phone kasi sa camera ko hindi ko na ginamit kasi maulan masyado, B. Yan. So, yung camera ko. Naka-raincoat na yung camera natin. Takot ako mukhang mabasa masyado. Yan. Pumunta tayo sa view ng castle, guys. Grabe. Di ko kinakaya yung step na tinahak namin dito. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ang taas, B. Patrick Leeds steps. Di ko kinakaya yung steps na tinahak namin, B. Tara, let's go up. I think we can only go there, but if you wanna go inside the castle, you need to pay. But siguro, dyan lang tayo sa labas ng castle. Okay naman na yun. Ay, Diyos ko. Tara. Kaya tayo. Come. Nansiraan ko. Tara. Kaya tayo, B. Ito, Castle Wind North. Yan. Tapos ayun yung castle, oh. Hindi ko kinakaya yung... Ha? What strip?
Strip in Germany is stairs.
Okay. Nakakapagod yung steps, B. Okay. Yung legs ko, Diyos ko.
Who is this?
Yes. Very nice view dito, guys. Ayun. Ay, tingnan niyo yung mountain doon, oh. Nagsusnow na. You see?
No man. Can you bring me up?
I will go to the toilet first. So, ayun, guys. Kakarating lang natin sa Edinburgh Castle.
Edinburgh Castle.
Ayan. We just got here sa Edinburgh Castle. Ayun. Ito yung sign. Ayan. Tapos, yan yung view ng castle dyan, guys. Sira ko nanonood ng mga Turo ko lang kayo ng Biary Light. Kung gusto niyo pumasok ng castle, dito kayo bibili ng ticket. Yan. Pero siguro kami ni Rank, kung saan lang kami. Sa labas lang kami. Siguro. Ganda naman ng view dito. Tingnan nyo, oh. Yan. Tignan nyo ba? Tara, pasok tayo sa souvenir shop, B. Bili tayo ng Bili tayo ng souvenir. Keychain siguro. Kasi yung keychain ko sa apartment ko, sira na. Ayan, o, punta kayo. Ito lang tawag nito. Souvenir shop ito is malapit na siya sa Edinburgh Castle. Ang cute nito, oh. Sabi dito, £5 each. But, 3 for 12 pounds. Yan. Ayoko ng ref magnet. Gusto ko ng keychain. Eto. Keychain. Ay, magkapareho din yung price ng Magkapareho din yung price ng ng magnet sa keychain. Paano ba? Anong bibili natin? Oh, this is cute. Mira. No? Why? Maybe this one looks cute, no? Look. Scotland, very Scottish.
So, ayun lang guys. Kakarating lang namin dito sa hostel namin. Ito pala yung accommodation namin. Luckily, wala kaming kasama ngayon. Yun, sana ako nasa CR. Pero ito yung hostel namin. I would say it's, ano naman, okay. Malinis. But anyway, ay, kakapagod B. So, ayun. I think we will end here our Edinburgh adventure. I hope na na-enjoy nyo yung ano natin, yung vlog natin sa mga iconic landmark. And tomorrow, fly back na kami sa Munich. I know, don't want the holiday to end, but we need to work. But anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoyed our Edinburgh vlog adventure. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do. Hit mo na yung shiny notification bell para ikaw lagi updated sa ating mga latest travel ganap. So, ayun lang. And I'll see you soon in my next travel adventure. Hasta luego! Ciao!